What's up, guys? In this video, I want to talk to you about email marketing. Before I get into the content though, welcome to my channel. This channel is all about how to make money online, passive income, as well as give you product reviews on those products that are launching in the marketplace right now in the make money online niche. All right. So if you like content like that, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. All right. And in this channel, there will be a free webinar. That's right. I said a free webinar teaching you the strategy that I'm going to talk to you about today. So at any point in this video, if you want to check it out, go ahead and check it out. It will be the first link in the description. All right. But you have to register for the webinar in a couple of weeks. The webinar is live on June 15th. June 18th. All right. So email marketing. If you are trying to get into the make money online space, and with whether it's affiliate marketing, whether it's drop shipping, whatever you want, even if it's starting your own brick and mortar traditional business, you need to leverage the power and the strategy of email marketing. Okay. Email marketing is what will take your business, your results to the next level. All right. If right now you're struggling day to day to scale your business, or if you're using Facebook ads or paid advertising, and those paid advertisements are eating at your profits, you need to utilize email marketing. Okay. Get you a good autoresponder. It could be GetResponse. I use Aweber. It could also be MailChimp. I think Kartra is out there. There's a lot of autoresponders out there. Well, Aweber, the one I'm using now, is a pretty good autoresponder, and they're actually coming out with a free webinar teaching you how to quickly launch your email marketing strategy. Okay, so if you're having issues with building your list, how to market to your list, how to automate emails, how to create engaging emails, as well as how to send emails like most of those guru marketers out there, then you want to go ahead and just sign up for this free webinar and register for it. I mean, you don't have to pay anything. Just sign up and start learning the good skills, important skills and strategies that you can start using today to take your business to the next level. Even if you're not in a business right now, if you don't have a business and you're starting from ground zero, this webinar will still be really good for you to register and listen in, just to hear that what Aweber, one of the biggest autoresponder softwares out there, what they are saying are the best strategies for us to use as online marketers or as entrepreneurs. Okay, because in email marketing, once you acquire someone on your list, you have that person as an audience or a target audience, or you have that person's attention through email to send however many emails you want to for free. I mean, all you're doing is paying for the autoresponder, of course, but like Aweber is $19 a month. I mean, you can go up and upgrade as depending on how many you have on your list, but all you're doing is that once you acquire that lead, all you do on the back end is you send them value through email content, send them value. And then every once in a while, when you have a product for yourself or an affiliate offer that you think your audience or your lead list that you have on Aweber or whatever autoresponder that they should, check out or be good for them, then you can promote that offer to them for free. You don't have to worry about Facebook ads. You don't have to worry about Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, whatever, Udemy, solo ads, whatever you want to do. Once you have that list, you market to them as much as possible whenever you want to for free. Okay. So that will really catapult your business and your profits in your online business, as well as any traditional business model that you have. Okay. So go ahead and check out Aweber's free webinar coming out on Tuesday, June 18th at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. I'm pretty sure they will have a replay for this webinar. So go ahead, if you're looking at this video after Tuesday, June 18th, go ahead and check out the webinar, check out the link to see if they have a replay out there for you that you can go in and just absorb the content, the free content, just teaching you how to be successful with email marketing and start putting more money into your pocket. that's what you want to do, right? We're all in a business to change people's lives, right? Make a difference in others' lives. But at the end of the day, we want to make money, right? So why not learn how to make money for free, right? So go ahead and check that out. That's all I have for you today, guys. I just wanted to give you all that AWeber's coming out with a free webinar, and that's something that you can utilize today to start learning how to put more profits into your pockets. All right. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, emotional outbursts, whatever you want to say, go ahead and leave a link out there in the comments below. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm coming up with daily content teaching you how to create the life that you want, all along while showing you what I have been successful and not so successful at. All right. So thanks for watching the video. I will see you guys another day. Peace.